Welcome. Today, we're diving into timeboxing, a powerful technique to master your time and boost productivity. Ever feel like tasks just drag on? Let's explore what timeboxing is and how it can transform your workday. Essentially, it's all about setting time limits for specific tasks. Simple, but powerful. Why do we often struggle to complete tasks efficiently? Let's uncover some common culprits. We face Parkinson's law, lack of clear boundaries, fear, and distractions. All of these contribute to task bloat. Timeboxing means allocating a fixed, limited time block for a specific task. You assign a task to this block, focus on completing it within the time, and stop working on it when the time is up. So why use timeboxing? Let's explore the key benefits it brings to your work. It enhances focus, boosts productivity, improves time estimation, and provides a sense of control and flexibility. Ready to implement timeboxing? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. First, define the task. Second, allocate time. Third, work focused. Fourth, evaluate the result and plan ahead. Now it's your chance. Let's put timeboxing into practice with a small task. Choose a small task, set a timer, work focused, and stop when the timer rings. Simple, right? After trying it out, reflect and adapt. What worked? What didn't? How can you improve? Consider what worked, what surprised you, and how you can adapt the technique for future tasks. Let's summarize the key ideas behind effective timeboxing. Remember, time is fixed, tasks are flexible. You need discipline to stop, focus on one task, and start small. Now we encourage you to share your experience with timeboxing. Let's learn together. Try it, share your results, ask questions, and exchange ideas with colleagues.